Regina, the Saskatchewan government wants a court to order protesters who are camping outside the legislature to leave. It also wants a judge to force Regina police to remove them if need be. The Saskatchewan government wants a court to order protesters who are camping outside the legislature to leave. The Justice for Our Stolen Children camp has been set up in the park since late February. Samantha McCaig, the Canadian Press file photo. The Justice for Our Stolen Children camp has been set up in the park since late February. Campers in 15 teepees are protesting racial injustice and the disproportionate number of Indigenous children apprehended by child welfare workers. The protesters are currently in possession of and are occupying a portion of the land without the permission, consent or authorization of Saskatchewan or the Provincial Capital Commission, says a court application filed on Tuesday. Saskatchewan owns the land which the protesters are occupying. They have no right to exclusive possession of public land. Article continued below. Bylaws prohibit overnight camping and burning combustibles in the park. Ken Cheveldayoff, minister responsible for the commission which maintains the park, said the government wants those bylaws enforced. Read more. Opinion: separating children from their parents. The Canadian Way. Regina police asked to move protest teepees at legislature ahead of Canada Day. Opinion: Gerald Stanley acquittal. Yet another guilty verdict for Canada. If the court order is granted, we would expect the Regina Police Service to assist in its enforcement, Cheveldayoff said in a statement. The court application is to be heard on July 31st in Regina Court of Queen's Bench. Regina Police declined to comment. Article continued below. Officers moved in to break up the camp on June 18, but it was set up again a few days later. Police Chief Evan Bray has said since that he doesn't believe the camp poses a risk to the public. Prescott Demas, who has been protesting at the camp since February, said the government is trying to take the focus off the issues that prompted the protests. Those issues are affecting Aboriginals in communities across Canada, Demas said Thursday. Why not focus on that? Why focus on a simple little bylaw? Campers met with the government on July 2 and have requested another meeting to further address their concerns. Protesters filed a court challenge earlier this week in the hope of having 6 arrests made during the June eviction declared illegal. That application is due to be heard in Regina Court on August 23. Demas said that he was relieved when he heard about the government's court application, since the campers knew it was coming. I'm more surprised that we're actually still here, right? He said. I mean, it takes this long just to try and get another meeting with the government.